So when you know that you have two figures that are similar, that they are proportional, you can then use a proportion. You can set up a proportion to solve a mystery, to find a missing side length. So what you can do is you can match up two pairs of corresponding sides. So we're going to try it out. So given each pair of similar figures, so here is our first set of figures that we're told are similar, we're going to try to figure out the length or the size of x of this side length here using a proportion to find our x value, to find our mystery. So we're going to use this space over here to show our work. So what we want to do as per up here is we want to use a proportion. Well, let's go ahead and take a proportion or a corresponding sides that we know are the same. So this side here is touching the right angle as well as the to angle. This here is touching the right angle as well as the to angle. So we're going to say, we're going to compare, we'll just call this figure A and figure B. So we're going to compare figure A to figure B. Okay, so we'll say this is a 4, 4 to 2. Okay, we want to then, since we know it's proportional, set it equivalent to our mystery. Well, where does our mystery go? It's in figure A. So we're going to put it in the same location as the spot of figure A. We had our 4 for figure A and our X, our mystery for figure A. Well, which side length is that equivalent to here? It's not equivalent to the hypotenuse across from the right angle. Instead, it's equivalent here to our 4, which is touching our right angle and our single angle, right? So we have a 4 to 2 is equivalent to our x over 4. So now we're going to use what we know about solving proportions, and we can set this up. So we can say, all right, well, we know then that 2x is going to end up equivalent to 4 times 4, which is the same as 16. So we can say 2x's is worth 16, but we don't want 2x's, we want 1. So let's give x some personal space by getting it by itself. We can divide both sides by 2. When we do that, we find that x is equivalent to 8. 1x is 8. So in our proportion here, we know that 8 is the value of our missing side length.